Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the Wake channel. I'm one of your hosts here on the channel, Cody Hunnicutt, and today I'm gonna teach you how to ride at the cable park. All right guys, I'm out here at my local cable park, Orlando Water Sports Complex, and today I'm gonna teach you a couple ways of how to get off the dock here at the cable park. If you're a boat rider like me, sometimes you gotta switch it up and come over to the cable and just have a little bit of fun. When you get to the cable park, there's gonna be a couple things you need before you hit the water. You're gonna need a helmet, a wakeboard, and a Coast Guard approved life jacket. The people at the cable park will help you find helmet, boots, board, and life jacket that all fit you super well, so you're gonna be comfortable when you get out there on the water. There's a couple ways you can get off the dock here at the cable park. You've got the sit start, the slide start, and the jump start, or if you really wanna get fancy, the Nollie Start. The easiest way to get off the dock, in my opinion, for beginners is the slide start. The slide start is what's gonna get you used to that high pull of tension when you're coming off the dock and going around the turns. What you wanna do for the slide start is you wanna get into an athletic position where your knees are bent, your chest up, and your arms out. When you see that carrier come across the first turn, get ready, lean back a little bit, and let the cable pull you off the dock. One of the main things you want to remember when coming off the dock is that strong body position, but you also still want to stay relaxed when the cable starts to pull you forwards. You want to let the cable pull you, and the more you fight against it, the harder it is to be able to get off the dock. Way you can get off the dock for your first time is the sit start. The sit start is almost like getting up on boat. It's just the cable is pulling you a little higher, and when you get up, it's almost like it's pulling you out of your seat, unlike boat where you're sitting really low in the water. We have a tutorial here on the channel on how to get up on boat. It is definitely similar to the way you sit start on cable, so if you want to go watch that right now from one of our hosts, Trevor Hansen, I highly suggest it. The third and last way you can get off the dock here at the cable park is the Nollie Start. Now the Nollie Start is very flashy, but also a little bit harder. So I wouldn't do this one quite yet if you're a beginner, but once you start getting used to the cable, I would give it a try. So you wanna wait for that line to start getting tight, and as the cable starts to pull you, you push onto that front foot, onto the nose of your board, and lift that back foot up, and you'll start to kind of glide through the air as the cable starts to pull you forwards. As you're gliding through the air, once you start coming back down, you want to start to even out so you can land perfectly on your board. After you come off the dock, your next obstacle is to go around all the turns. Now when you go around the turns, you want to still keep that strong body position and let the cable pull you. But the main thing is you want to stay in between both of the buoys when you're riding through the turns. All right guys, that is going to be it for our tutorial on how to get up on the cable and ride around the turns so you can come out here and have a blast. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you go down, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on another video. I'm Cody Hunnicutt, one of the hosts here on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.